en feu. K-Dilak, Bedjine, chaque fois nous shooter, nous toujours fait valser.
Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. Now today we're going to learn a very popular song by K-Dilak and Bedjine. It's called Pwomet Mwen by K-Dilak and Bedjine. Now the solo is simple, guys. What key are we in, first of all? So in this song, if we would go to this song, it's in the key of A. So it's then you go to the 5. It's a 1. Then you go to the 5, which is E. I don't believe it goes to the 5 and into the 1. I think it stays on the 4. But we're gonna get into it, guys. So what is your scale here? So what's your chord progression? So now the solo, guys. For the solo, here is how they started. They started on the 1. There's a lot of walking up and down. So this is the first walk up from A. And then a walk down from D. And then you do a walk, you go down a half step and you walk up and down again. So it's and then you continue to walk up again. But here you don't do a regular walk down, you go. So it's, and then from what I'm hearing is or something like this. So, and then they do it again. Okay, so what I'm hearing is so it's D, A, A. So 4, 1, 1. And then they get right back into it. So from what I'm hearing with the roll, so it's, and I'm hearing this roll, but playing with the D. You're just on the D. But you land on this A. And then you get back into it. So that's what I'm hearing. Different versions of that. And here you can just do whatever you want under D. There's a beautiful ending to it, to this. So that's what he's doing for the most part in that solo, guys. Now remember, if you have any questions or song requests, you can go ahead and drop it at the bottom of this video. To get more of an elaborate understanding of this song, he's playing in the key of A. So let's get into it. And he's using a lot of walk downs and walk ups. And he's using a lot of lead notes. I have lessons on all these things, guys. So if you go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com, you will see my beginner's course in Kompa sounds. This is Roland Blase, signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chords,
Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.